Huawei P30 Pro announced, UK price, specs, and features revealed. Huawei P30 Pro has been announced by the Chinese tech giant and boasts a swathe of improvements over the P20 Pro. Huawei took to the stage in the French capital of Paris to announce its new smartphone that boasts a whopping 4 cameras on its rear, a huge 6.47-inch display and a radical new design. During its keynote, Huawei was keen to emphasize its P series has always focused heavily on camera quality, and the P30 Pro is no different. The new device comes with an 8-megapixel periscope zoom lens that is capable of delivering a 5x optical zoom. Moreover, the product can also deliver a 10x hybrid zoom. Huawei claims harnesses every single one of the phone's 4 sensors. One of the P30 Pro's biggest surprises is its 50x digital zoom that is capable of snapping objects that are incredibly far away, even if there is a noticeable dip in photo quality. The periscope zoom lens is immediately noticeable on the flagship thanks to its square shape. Similar camera technology was displayed by one of Huawei's Chinese rivals, OPPO, at MWC. Aside from its telephoto module, the P30 Pro is also equipped with a new 40-megapixel camera Huawei is calling its Super Spectrum lens. Finally, the new Chinese smartphone also comes with a 20-megapixel wide-angle sensor that boasts a field of view over 120 degrees and a time of flight, TOF, module. Huawei has boasted about the new technologies it has squeezed into the phone's camera array. In particular, the firm was keen to discuss the fact it has reconstructed the RGB model offered by the device, a fundamental system used to display colors in photos. Huawei has changed the green color from a traditional RGB setup to yellow and claims this will improve camera quality in all conditions. Additionally, the P30 Pro also boasts an incredibly high ISO of 409,600, and the Chinese OEM has claimed such a high figure will allow the product to take even better snaps in low-light conditions. For comparison purposes, the P20 Pro had an ISO of 102,400. In addition to improving photo quality, Huawei's keynote also focused on the video capabilities of the P30 Pro. The OEM has insisted the device comes with improved video stabilization and low-light performance. P30 Pro is capable of recording in 4K at up to 30 frames per second. One of the other biggest changes presented by the P30 Pro is easily its huge 6.47-inch OLED display. The screen boasts a 1080p resolution, has minimal bezels around it, and has a notch at its top that houses the phone's 32-megapixel front-facing camera. An optical fingerprint sensor has been placed underneath the panel, and Huawei has stated it should perform faster and more accurately than that on the Mate 20 Pro. No earpiece is present at the top of the P30 Pro. Instead, when a user wants to make a call, a segment of the display will act as a speaker. While this is an incredibly futuristic feature, it does come at the expense of stereo sound on the P30 Pro. That means the new hardware only has a single speaker on its bottom. Powering the hardware is the same Kirin 980 chipset already present inside the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, meaning the new device should deliver similarly rapid performance. The P30 Pro also has the same sized battery as the Mate 20 Pro, meaning it has a 4,200 mAh capacity that should easily deliver all-day life. Huawei's new handset sports the firm's signature supercharge system, meaning 30 minutes of charging promises to fill the phone to 70%. P30 Pro is capable of sharing its power with other devices thanks to its support for wireless reverse charging. Additionally, the new product also supports faster wireless charging at up to 15 W, meaning your phone should power up more rapidly on a compatible bank. The P30 Pro boasts a new industrial-like design and comes in new gradient finishes. Huawei's handset is available in pearl white, breathing crystal, black, ember sunrise and aurora colors. Huawei P30 Pro will be available from April 5 and will come in 3 models. The pricing for each is as follows. P30 Pro, 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, £899, €999. P30 Pro, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, €1,099. P30 Pro, 8GB RAM and 512GB storage, £1,099, €1,249. Unfortunately, the P30 Pro model with 256GB of memory will not be coming to UK markets.